Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to Cooking from the Heart Dining Out. Today we're at the Vanguard Brewpub and Distillery in lovely Hampton, Virginia, exploring their incredible food and drink pairings. And I'm here with Randy Thomas, the president. Randy, this looks amazing. What are we eating today?
This is a recent addition to our menu. It is our Korean BBQ Pulled Pork sandwich.
Wow.
It's fantastic.
It looks amazing and smells so good. What's in it?
So we start with our pork butt and then we hand rub it with the gochujang sauce and some Asian seasonings. And then once it smokes all day. And then once we pull it off the smoker, we let it rest and then we put it on the sandwich with some pickled carrots and pickled red onion and purple cabbage and cucumber to top it off.
That sounds and smells amazing, and these fries look super crispy.
Hand cut every day, fresh.
Every day, wow. Now what are we drinking with this?
So this is our very first beer that we ever brewed when we first opened. That's our red ale. It's actually a GABF bronze medal winner. This is a medium body ale that has a bit of a toasted flavor, caramel, toffee, and it pairs very well with a Korean barbecue sandwich. The flavor profile is a little bit on the sweeter side, but it really finishes off with the spiciness of the barbecue sandwich. Goes well with steak, chicken, any other meat dish.
Now what is it about these two that makes them such a winning combination?
Well, you got the spicy Korean barbecue sandwich, and then you get a little bit of the malty sweetness from the beer that just kind of balances the palate out.
That looks so incredible, and I want to bite right now. Well, you've heard it from the pro, and I completely agree. For more great food and drink pairings, come to the Vanguard. They will set you up. And we'll see you next time on Cooking from the Heart, Dining Out.